And now we're going to have a look at charcoal. Charcoal is a black powder, and charcoal has been used for centuries. They even use it in medicine today, and the reason they use it is because charcoal absorbs poisons. When you put a dry sponge into water, it absorbs the fluid. This isn't absorb, this is adsorb. And adsorb is referring to the fact that the charcoal under a microscope has all these little facets, all these surface areas, and every surface area has the ability to bind poison to it. NASA uses charcoal to filter the air in outer space. They use charcoal to filter the water in outer space. In medicine today, they use charcoal to filter the blood for dialysis. They use charcoal for poisoning cases. Charcoal can be used internally and it can be used externally. Internally, it's for all poisoning cases, and externally, it can be used again for poisoning. So that might be a snake bite or a bee sting, or it might be a wasp bite, any bite. We've got something in Australia called jumping ant, and oh, they sting very, very badly. And when you apply the charcoal poultice, the pain goes within minutes. The easiest way to make the poultice is to put it into a little snap-lock bag like this, and you put 3 teaspoons of charcoal to 1 teaspoon of psyllium husk. When you mix charcoal and water, it's like mixing dirt and water, whereas the psyllium husk, it goes like a soft jelly, and that's what we've done here. So what you can do in a crisis, and ideally you have this in the fridge, and you can cut an area around the edge, take the plastic off and just put it straight on. And what you're putting on is like a black jelly. And that's the poultice. I think every home should have these, so they're easy. Remember, 3 teaspoons of charcoal, 1 teaspoon of psyllium husk, and you do about 3 times that amount in water. And you seal it off and you massage it. You massage it and then you spread it out till you've got that pack, and then you cut the area and apply it. So every home should have one of these in the fridge, or if it's been there for over a week, maybe you want to put it in the freezer. It adsorbs and it neutralizes poisons. I trust you've been encouraged, and I'm sure very interested in what we've covered today. I just want to show you that the onion syrup we started to make at the beginning, there's already a syrup starting to form there. But that will take a good 24 hours before it's ready. So please enjoy your experiments with your poultices. I've got some good news. If they don't work, you've got nothing to lose. But we have found in every case they are known to bring great relief and to stimulate healing.